Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so we are going to be doing this video on Volvo no start issues, particularly if you get the Immobilizer C manual or Immobilizer try start again. If those two messages are displayed on the instrument cluster. A lot of times in these situations, you're going to get a no crank, no start issue. That message, Immobilizer C manual error message on the dashboard, means that your Volvo does not recognize the key. And because of that, it won't allow you to start the engine. The problem could be caused by a lot of issues, including a bad key, a defective ignition, or a faulty CEM module. So let's talk about the common causes of this. So if you're getting this message and your car has other issues besides you're getting messages about the ABS, the airbag, steering failure. If you're getting that message with all these other random messages that essentially have nothing to do with the starting issue, there's a good chance that the CEM is the issue, and the CEM on Volvos are actually known to have issues and to fail. And another possibility is one of the wire harnesses to the CEM module is loose, and that's a pretty big possibility. And you can pretty much verify this by looking at the CEM, looking at where the wires are, and seeing if it's loose. Feel it. If it's loose, just the clip. You wanna reclip it if the clip is not 100% down. All right, let's go to the second thing that could cause this message, and that is an unrecognized key. Your Volvo key is not recognized, and this could be an issue with the Immobilizer, or maybe the key is damaged. But a lot of times, if it is your key, you'd want to change the battery on the key. Another thing is the ignition antenna ring. This slot where you insert your Volvo key has a ring. Inside that, there is a wire loop that serves as the antenna. When the antenna fails, your Volvo key will no longer be recognized when inserted into the ignition. Also, another thing that could cause this is low battery voltage. The car battery is partially discharged, and if the car battery is partially discharged and there's not enough charge to power up the modules, this is often when the dashboard lights turn on but you can't start the engine. You can use a battery charger to charge your Volvo battery and then try to start it then. But if that's the case, then it might be the battery that's the issue. So that's pretty much all of the things that could cause a no crank, no start situation with your Volvo. Definitely look into that. Could be a variety of things, but if this video has helped you guys in any way, please definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. And if you guys have any of your own personal experiences with a no start with Volvo, definitely leave a comment in the comment section just to help. Maybe it'll help somebody else out. Okay. All right, guys. Take care.